Hello there, welcome to your Tuesday evening weather update from the Met Office. Low pressure dominates our weather through this week with strong winds from time to time, rain or showers. The air remains cold through the next few days across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and this slow-moving area of low pressure brings rain or showers. And then further south we'll see a band of rain just extending across central and southern areas of England and Wales. Through Wednesday night into Thursday, the air becomes quiet. Chance of a touch of frost before all change again through Thursday. After a bright start, thickening cloud brings outbreaks of rain. Winds will pick up to gale force as that rain extends northwards as well as eastwards. Temperatures recovering a little bit even so. Some wet weather with further showers to follow. For the time being, that strong wind delivers showers across Northern Ireland, much of Scotland, the northwest of England, and some more persistent rain across the far north of Scotland. At the same time, this band of rain extends across Wales, eventually the Midlands seeing some wet weather, and it will push southwards into the early hours of the morning across the West Country before it reaches Lincolnshire as well as East Anglia. In between, some clearer skies, certainly for central and eastern areas of Northern Ireland. Northern England, a few showers, but even so, it will turn chilly. And chilly across the glens of Scotland, where temperatures could dip close to freezing with a lighter breeze in shelter. So first thing then, tomorrow morning. Well, for some, we'll see some brighter weather. Northern Ireland, Northern England, the far south of Scotland. Showery bursts of rain continue from the beginning of the day, extending northwards with the low pressure centred across the western side of Scotland. At the same time, this band of rain clears the Midlands, the West Country, through the morning into the afternoon. We hang on to that wet weather, though, across the far southeast, so some brighter skies to end the day as showers extend down towards Northern England, obviously affecting Scotland throughout the day with that low pressure centred across central parts. Temperatures then probably 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. The winds will remain strong, though, through Wednesday evening across the north and west of Scotland. Clearer skies then emerge across much of England and Wales. It's going to turn colder with a touch of frost in places, some starry skies, but still those showers filing in across the far north of Scotland. A bit of a breeze here. However, into a Thursday morning after a bright and cold start, the cloud moves in, outbreaks of rain, and by around lunchtime for Northern Ireland, Wales, showery bursts further southwest. Notice some brighter weather through the afternoon across central and eastern areas of Scotland, eastern counties of England, but that sunshine turning rather hazy as those winds pick up across Irish sea coast, the North Channel. And then through the afternoon, it turns wet and windy across the far north with some showery bursts further south and southeast. Friday into the weekend, it's more of the same. So that first low clears off the scene. Another one just moves in, not as deep, but even so, there will be some showery bursts, allowing for some wet weather before we see another bank of cloud and rain through Saturday night and into Sunday. So the weather remains mobile. Now for a deep dive into our weather and also what's happening across the Caribbean with Hurricane Melissa, check out our deep dive this week. It's with Honor, and I'll see you again soon.